A box contains 216 candies that will be divided equally into 8 small bags. How many candies will be in each bag? Options: 25, 26, 27, 28, or 29 candies. To find the answer, you divide the total number of candies by the number of bags. 216 candies divided by 8 bags. The correct answer is C, 27 candies. Why the other answers are incorrect? A is incorrect because 25 times 8 is 200. This leaves you 16 candies short of the 216 you started with. B is incorrect because 26 times 8 is 208. This leaves you 80 candies short of the total. D is incorrect because 28 times 8 is 224. This would require 80 more candies than you actually have. And E is incorrect because 29 times 8 is 232. This would require 16 candies than are in the box. To find the correct answer, you perform the division. 216 divided by 8 equals 27. Subscribe for more.